Richard Osborne says, yes, I'm still struggling with my business. I'm trying to come up with ways to get people to join my free business opportunity. And I want to know what is the best place to get traffic at that will give me leads. Still struggling. Okay. We got to change that. We got to change that.
I don't think traffic's the problem with you. I think it's your conversion.
It has to do with your conversion.
Yeah.
Yes, Richard. Absolutely.
How are you engaging with your leads is really the question.
Yes.
Right. I can tell you where to go get leads like right now, but that's not going to solve your problem. You know, you might get some lucky front end sales and stuff like that, but you know, well, first off, you don't have the right offer that matches that audience, those type of leads. It's going to be hard to make a sale.
It's true.
And then once you get the leads, and if you're not matching the message to the market, like I talked about earlier, in your emails, then I got to pay attention. And then you'll get a high bounce rate, like what David William Toomey was talking about, right? So we got to give them exactly what they want. Something we learned a long time ago is that when it comes to affiliate marketing in this space, we always have to give them what they want, not what they need. All right. So give them what they want. What do they want? They want to make it feel like it's not painful. Right? They don't want to deal with pain. They don't want to hear that it's hard. That's why when you look at different offers, a lot of it explains how it's simple, right? Simple 4-step formula. Why do they do that? Because they want to pull you away from pain into pleasure. Like, hey, simple 4 steps. Oh, I can do 4 steps. Or, hey, simple 3-step formula. Yeah, I can do 3 steps, right? That takes them away from that pain. Like, oh my God, this is so hard. To like, hey, that sounds simple. And then now they're more intrigued, right? So we got to give them what they want as far as what they're looking for. Psychologically, but also the offer too. Very, very important. So, like I said, I don't think you have a traffic problem. You're going to have a conversion problem. So you need to know exactly how to follow up properly with those leads. You need to know how to communicate with those leads properly. You need to know how to get them engaged properly. You need to know how to give value to that list, okay? To those leads. Very, very important. Very important. And this is something that if you have not dove into, you're avoiding your own pain.